Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are giving you an update on the Pinnacle development. Now this is the first of the 4 towers that they're building, and this tower is now at 19 floors. All 4 towers will be 28 floors. But more importantly is when this building reaches 20 floors, it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. Now, we were here a month ago and they were at 17 floors. They were working on the 17th floor. So 1 month later, they're working on the 19th floor. So sometime, I would say within the next 2 weeks, this building will be the tallest building in Jamaica, reaching 20 floors. So we will be back out here around the middle of August to give you the update. Now, as you can see, they have put up a sign with the contact information, which is very, very important because so many times we make these videos and people ask for contact information. Like the development out in Miami Bay, residential, although it's sold out, there is no sign with contact information. The one SOL Harbor, although it's sold out, no sign. So I guess maybe some of them are sold out. So there's no reason to put up the sign, but this is good. So anybody who is interested in this development, there is the info. We'll also put the contact info in the comment section below. And there you can see, and very impressive is that they have put the floor numbers on the outside of the building. So there you can see 19 and they're currently working on it. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. It's a luxury development in Montego Bay. I think this might be one of the most luxurious developments in Jamaica. And they have quite a few others. Most notably, they are in Montego Bay. But we'll talk about those in another video. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Jamaica's real estate and tourism landscape is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and at the center of this evolution stands the Pinnacle, a bold luxury development poised to redefine high-end living in the Caribbean. Located on the scenic Redding Peninsula in Montego Bay, this US $350 to $450 development or mega project is not only Jamaica's most ambitious residential complex to date, but is also a symbol of the country's growing appeal as a global luxury destination. With its state-of-the-art design, environmentally conscious features, and significant economic implications, the Pinnacle is set to become a defining feature of the Jamaican skyline and economy. The Pinnacle is designed as a mixed-use residential resort-style community, occupying 17.5 acres of oceanfront land. The centerpiece of the development will be 4 28-story towers, each representing a new era of vertical luxury living in Jamaica. In total, the complex will house 423 luxury residences and 15 private villas, offering 1 to 5 bedroom units, penthouses, and ultra-exclusive villas with panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. The project is being led by LCH Developments, with the promise of one of the 4 towers will operate as a globally recognized luxury hotel brand. This integration of residential and hotel services marks a significant shift in Jamaica's tourism offerings, aligning the island with international trends in branded serviced residences. Alright guys, that's just a quick summary of the development. Have to say, job well done. I'm really impressed with how fast this development is moving. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.